And the last exercise that I said we'd introduce is something that might help with a very minor developmental tracking issue. A tracking issue that's the result of a minor developmental delay. And this is a great one. It's very simple, and there are variations on it, but basically we call them lazy eights. And with the child sitting comfortably in a chair, and yourself sitting so that you're kind of at a 45, not directly in the line of sight, you extend your hand with your index finger extended to a point in space about 16 inches from the child's face, right in front of their nose, but a little bit more than a foot away. And now, if you can imagine this kind of sideways box, we want to begin drawing the infinity symbol, a lazy 8, about one per second, or maybe one loop per second. So 1,001, 1,002, 1,001, 1,002, and nice, slow, with the eyes, hold the head steady, with the eyes tracking, and we just want to continue this for about 30 seconds, then reverse it, go backwards the same number of lazy eights, and ideally we want to do this 2 times per day. So the last thing we come to, number 6, sustained focus and attention. Critical for retaining that information that we want to get to. And here we're going to introduce very simple strategy, and just so you know, the previous exercises that we've gone over are also going to help with improving focus and attention, but this one is really for your child that's probably past the age of 8 or 9, and we really want to give them a solid tool for being able to sit down and bring their focus and their consciousness and their attention to bear on whatever it is, whether it's a reading assignment, a test, homework, whatever it is. And this is probably the quickest, easiest, fastest way that I know of to do that. And very simply, we're going to start sitting comfortably in a chair, and we're going to focus on one spot, like a dot, maybe the size of a dime or a penny or a thumbtack, just a small spot on the wall above eye level, about 30 degrees above eye level, and we're going to hold that for 20 to 30 slow breaths. We're going to keep our eyes focused on the spot, and at the same time expand our awareness out to the very peripheral of our vision. So we're going to be kind of taking in everything around us visually and auditorily while maintaining our focus on this spot. And after 1 minute, we're going to close our eyes, looking slightly up and to the left, and visualize a shiny red apple with 2 green leaves. And all we want to do is just hold that image steady. Just hold it steady for 30 seconds. The coach or adult can just slowly repeat, visualize the shiny red apple. Hold it steady, shiny red apple with green leaves. We want to hold that image steady for 30 seconds. That's the idea, to increase our focus and attention on that visual image inside our imagination. If we want, we can add the word apple, let's say in blue letters, and put it right underneath the apple. So we have a shiny red apple, green leaves, and blue letters, and then spell the word apple together. Visualize it, see it, spell it all together, and you can practice this a couple times a day, this learning state exercise. It's a great way to start your homework or get yourself ready to do a class or a test or homework or reading.